Hello and welcome to Model Railways Unlimited. I'm Mike and today I'm going to show you my special loco named Charles III. This loco is dedicated to His Majesty King Charles III, who will be crowned alongside the Queen Consort on Saturday the 6th of May 2023 at Westminster Abbey in London. This is an historic occasion that marks the beginning of a new era for the United Kingdom and for the Commonwealth. Charles III is a proud and loyal loco that carries the Union Jack flags on the front lamp irons and the official Coronation emblem on its smokebox door. It's ready to embark on the journey across the country to celebrate this momentous event with all of you. There was huge excitement at our railway yard. 2 Pullman coaches for the Coronation Special had been entrusted to the yard for stocking and preparation. The Coronation Special would be arriving soon, and Little Junior, the 040 Bachmann tank engine, was shunter for today, and was overwhelmed with expectation. The Coronation Special, headed by Great Western Locomotive 6009, specially renamed King Charles III, and adorned with Union Jacks on its lamp irons, and proudly carrying the official Coronation emblem on its smokebox door, was now nearing our yard. The wonderful train sweeps into the long siding, pausing by the admirers on the platform, which includes the families of the yard staff, and even the foreman, his wife, and Amy, his daughter. The train then draws forward and stops perfectly in position. Little Junior now felt very nervous indeed. He must attach the 2 Pullman coaches to the train. As he starts to draw the Pullmans from the siding, Junior finds he can hardly get any traction, and at the same time he must treat the train very carefully so as not to upset any of the fine china laid at the tables. His pistons pumped and his wheels scrabbled for grip, and finally the heavy coaches started moving. Just as the Pullmans were attached, there is a sudden dashing around and agitated voices. "What's up?" Junior asked the foreman.
According to this policeman who is travelling with the train, because of its importance, it is not allowed to set back onto the main line ready to head for London. It must be piloted, and you, Junior, are the only loco that can do it in time.
Junior's pistons trembled, and he felt excited and worried.
But Junior, any loco that has charge of the Coronation Special must carry the official emblem. Dash off and see Mr. Pugh. He has one that should fit you.
Junior dashes off to Mr. Pugh's coal siding and is duly fitted with the emblem on his smoke box. The normal business of the railway continues with this coal train headed by a rather fine loco. Anyone remember what it's called? Making his way back to the train, he is bursting with pride and his safety valves sing out. Junior is coupled up to the rear of the train and is told to give the special whistle code when ready to go. The code is sent, King Charles III answers, and carefully the locomotives ease the train from the yard onto the main line. What a sight and what an honour for a simple little Bachmann tank engine. Once the train is on the main line, Junior is uncoupled and runs past. The big engine whistles, "Congratulations, Junior, you did very well." And so the majestic train sweeps away through the countryside, heading for London, and the waiting dignitaries heading to and from the coronation. It's even rumoured that King Charles himself might take a ride on the train.